Hello everyone and welcome. When you hear the term artificial intelligence or AI, what comes to mind? Maybe robots from a sci-fi movie or a supercomputer that can outsmart us all. But what if I told you that the real magic, the engine that powers this new AI era, is a concept you already interact with every single day? It's called machine learning, and it's fundamentally changing how we live, work, and interact with the world. Today, we're going to demystify this powerful technology, explore how it's shaping our lives right now, and understand what it truly means to be living in the age of AI. 1. What exactly is machine learning? Before we dive into the impact, let's understand the core concept. It's not just programming. Traditional computer programs are given specific instructions to follow. Think of a simple calculator. You give it 2 plus 2, and it's programmed to give you 4. Machine learning is different. Learning from data. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You show them thousands of pictures, some with cats, some without. You point out features, whiskers, pointy ears, a tail. Over time, the child learns to identify a cat on their own, even in a picture they've never seen before. That's machine learning. It's a computer system that learns from vast amounts of data, finds patterns, and makes predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed for every single task. You give it data, and it builds its own rules. This learning is the key to all modern AI. Machine learning is the process that allows a computer to get smarter over time, just by observing and analyzing information. 2. Machine learning in your daily life, the invisible assistant. You might not even realize it, but machine learning is already everywhere. Personalized recommendations. When Netflix suggests a show you love, or Spotify creates a perfect playlist for you, that's machine learning, analyzing your past choices and comparing them to millions of other users. Spam filters. Your email inbox is a perfect example. The filter learns from thousands of emails you've marked as spam, and automatically sorts new incoming messages for you, constantly getting better at its job. Voice assistants and facial recognition. When you ask Alexa a question or use your face to unlock your phone, machine learning is at work. It's trained on vast data sets of voices and faces to recognize your unique patterns. The smart search engine. Google doesn't just search for keywords, it uses machine learning to understand the intent behind your search, giving you more relevant and accurate results. Machine learning is the invisible force that makes our digital devices feel intuitive and personal. 3. The bigger picture, reshaping our world. Beyond our smartphones, machine learning is having a profound impact on society. Healthcare. AI models can analyze medical scans to help doctors diagnose diseases like cancer earlier and more accurately. It's also accelerating drug discovery by predicting how different molecules will interact. Transportation. Machine learning is the foundation of self-driving cars. It processes real-time data from cameras and sensors to navigate streets, recognize pedestrians, and make safe driving decisions. The job market. This is a big one. While machine learning will automate some jobs, it's also creating a whole new category of roles. Jobs focused on creativity, critical thinking, human interaction, and managing AI systems will become more valuable than ever. Science and research. Scientists are using machine learning to analyze complex data sets, from climate models to genomic research, helping them make new discoveries at an unprecedented pace. Machine learning is a powerful tool, driving innovation and progress in every field imaginable. 4. Living in the age of AI, the human element. So what does it mean for us, the people? We are the creators. It's crucial to remember that machine learning models are created by humans and trained on human-generated data. This means that human oversight is essential to ensure these systems are fair, ethical, and unbiased. A new partnership. The future of work isn't about AI replacing us, it's about AI becoming a partner. It's a tool that can augment our abilities, take on the mundane tasks, and free us up to be more creative, strategic, and focused on what truly matters. The need for awareness. Living in the age of AI requires a new kind of literacy. We need to understand how these systems work, what their limitations are, and how to use them responsibly. This is the key to thriving in the new world. The age of AI is not a future to be feared, but a present to be understood and a future to be shaped by us. Conclusion. Machine learning is the quiet revolution happening all around us. It's the reason our technology feels so smart, the force behind groundbreaking scientific discoveries, and the engine of a new world of work. By embracing it not as a threat, but as a powerful new tool, we can unlock our own potential and build a smarter, more efficient, and more innovative future. The age of AI is here, and it's powered by us, Outro. What aspect of machine learning excites or concerns you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with a friend who's curious about AI, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the future of technology. Thanks for watching.